Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me blending in with my bathroom, but we are here with another hair video. This wig is from Ashimaryhair. This is their new 360 lace frontal wig. It is a water wave texture, and it also comes with this new invisible strap. This is also a pre-everything wig, so everything is done for you. Bleach knots, pre-cut lace, it's glueless, and it's just beginner friendly. So these are all the contents of the package as well as the wig. And here you can see the invisible strap, so you can just easily adjust it to your head's liking. No more what are those like straps in the back? None of that. And then this is the texture straight out of the box. Again, this is the water wave texture, and I have 22 inches. So I'm going to show you how the wig looks after it's been washed and on my head. So immediately I want to do a flip over with this wig, which is kind of hard for me to do with my hairline. So I am going to attempt that today because the curls on this wig is just too perfect for me to not try it. So all I'm doing is hitting the lace with some lace tint spray so that it'll blend in better with my skin once I, melt it in with the hairspray, because this is a glueless install. And as you can see, that is a much better blend with our skin. It literally disappears when I press it down. So it'll be perfect once I add the hairspray. So that's exactly what I'm about to do. First, I'm just going to put the adjustable strap back in. I took it out when I had washed it because there's no sense in that getting wet. But that's all I'm going to do. Adjust the strap, put my wig back on, and begin the prep process. So I'm just going in with some hairspray. I am using the Gots to Be hairspray. The one I was using previously would always turn white on me, and it wouldn't hold as long as this one does. So I'm back to this one. I like this one for like a quick wig install because y'all know I don't really be wearing my wigs like for a long time. So I want to be able to take it off. We are all glueless over here. We never use glue, only hairspray, and hairspray works. After that, I'm going to put the band back on, blow dry it for like 1 to 2 minutes, and then I kind of just linger around the house for like 10-15 minutes so that the hairspray is all the way dry. And that's what you want. You want to peel off the band. And this is what we are looking like. I did go in with some water to like clean up the excess hairspray, but love it so far. And y'all know I'm like a 5 by 5, 6, 7 type, so I really have to finesse this wig because it is a ear to ear lace, and y'all know my head is like small, so I'm maneuvering the hair to work. I'm just kind of picking how I want it to lay. um the hair is so pretty. I am super duper satisfied, and since it's pre-plucked and pre-bleached, there's literally nothing that I have to do. I'm just going in with my wand curler just to define the curls at the top that kind of got flattened out at the root, and that's all we're going to do.
The truth is fitting.
for talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, then I am going in with some edge control and blending my edges out, well, taming the edges out, and kind of camouflaging the lace because we don't want it to be noticeable, duh. And the lace on this wig is so thin, it's so flat, it is some really good HD lace. So yes, Ashimary, you did that. I am just continuing to wand curl some of the hair, and that's it, for real. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, get some me time. This is so cute. I love how this turned out. It's super natural looking, and look at the lace. Anywho, you guys know this has the visible strap in the back, so I'm just tightening it so that my wig fits nice and snug and the back doesn't flop off my head if a gust of wind comes. So this is how the hair looks. Again, this is 22 inches on me. It goes like mid back. Love the length and love the density. Not sure what that is, but I'll be sure to list it down below. And since this is a 360 wig, you can put this up in a bun. You could do an updo, whatever you prefer. My hairline said no, so I'm gonna put a claw clip in it so you guys can see what it looks like up out the way. And that's it. I'll be sure to list all of Ashimary's hair info in the description box, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.